Dear students, welcome to our English class from Madhyamik Writings. Today's topic of discussion is process writing. It is the easiest of all writings in your syllabus. Let us see how to write a process using the hints of flowchart. A process is a systematic series of actions directed to some end, performing a series of mechanical or chemical operations on something in order to change or preserve it. To write a process, the steps are following. At first, gather relevant information, then organize meaningful sequence, then draft work is made, first rough work, then editing is done, check, revise and refine the context, and publish the final version. To write a paragraph using the flowchart, that is the process, a suitable title is given, an introductory sentence is written, mention ingredients, raw materials, etc. Step by step narration using linkers such as at first, then, next, after that, later, now, finally, etc. The stages of the flowchart are carefully followed, and at last a concluding sentence is given. In class 9 textbook, a sample of process writing is given. In your textbook, page 16, class 9, sample of process writing and its feature has been given at page number 16 and 17. So process writing is very easy. Use passive voice. It is essential for describing a process. Use subject, then is or are. If the subject is singular, then write is. If the subject is plural, write are. Then third form of the verb, that is past participle form of the verb, is used. Always write in present tense. The presentation must be sequential and based on flowchart. There is no personal interference. Write in a single paragraph. I have already mentioned some linkers like at first, then, next, after that, later, now, finally, etc. You may also write like at first, finally, then, next. Otherwise, you may use sequential linkers like firstly, secondly, thirdly, fourthly, etc. Here are some other linkers according to the meaning: cause and effect sequence, importance, similarity and difference, time, place, etc. Cause and effect sequence: as a result, because, hence, since, so. Importance: at first, last, least, most important, next. Similarity: also, another, and, in addition to, like, although, but, however, instead, though. Place: above, around, behind, here, nearby, after, time, after, before, then, when, finally. More linkers like above all, additionally, especially, further, moreover, later, thereafter, after that, similarly, thus, finally, etc. are used to avoid repetition of the same linkers again and again. Here is a question in your test paper at 101 page of 2019-20 Madhyamik test paper. A question is given there at question number 9. With the help of the following hints, describe how paddy is grown in the field within 100 words. Points are given like this: plow a plot of land as seed bed, remove weeds, harrow the land to level the soil, sow seeds, use manure and fertilizer, uproot the seeding from the bed, transplant and seedlings in rows, cut the stalks of corns, bind the stalks into seeds, take the seeds home, separate the corn, store and stock. Let us see how to develop these points into paragraphs. At first, give a title: how paddy is grown in the fields. Then write introductory sentence like this: paddy is the major crop cultivated in India. Rice, which is a staple food, is produced from paddy. Farmers are largely dependent on paddy cultivation in our country. The key crop of our agroeconomy is paddy. Let us see how paddy is grown in the fields by the farmers. At first, a plot of land is plowed for seed bed. Then weeds are removed. After that, the earth is harrowed to level the soil. Thereafter, manure and fertilizers are used to make the land fertile. Next, the seedlings are uprooted from the seed bed. Then these seedlings are transplanted in rows. Next, regular treatment and care is given to the plants. After the stipulated period, the crops ripe. Then the stalks of corns are cut. These are bound into sieves. Thereafter, the sieves are taken home. Now the corn is separated from the stalks. At last, paddy is collected in sacks. Then the paddy is stored and stocked for future use. It is the last line of the paragraph. Always use a comma after the linkers, and you should use at first at the beginning of the process and at last or finally at the end of the process. So it is a model or sample of process writing from your test paper. So keep on trying. Thank you for your patience to watch the video. Subscribe the channel to get updates. Thank you.